Welcome to DelphStack. If you're seeing a Microsoft Edge runtime error pop up while browsing, it's usually a sign of a corrupted installation. Let's fix this so you can get back to work without interruptions. First, we need to ensure no glitchy processes are running in the background by performing a clean restart of the app. Press Ctrl+Shift+S to open Task Manager. Find Microsoft Edge, right-click it, and select End Task. Now, the most effective way to solve runtime issues is using the built-in repair tool through your Windows settings. Click the Start button, go to Settings, then click Apps, and select Installed Apps. Scroll down to Microsoft Edge, click the three dots on the right, select Modify, and then click the Repair button. This process will re-download the browser files and fix any missing DLLs or corrupted components without deleting your history. If the error persists, it might be caused by an outdated version of the Visual C Redistributable. Go to the official Microsoft website and download the latest version of the Visual C Redistributable for your system. Installing this often clears up underlying runtime environment conflicts. Next, check for Windows updates, as a pending system patch might contain the specific fix your browser needs. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and click Check for Updates to ensure everything is current. Another tip is to disable any third-party extensions that might be triggering the runtime script error. Type Edge/extensions in your address bar and toggle off all extensions to see if the error disappears. Finally, if you're still stuck, try resetting Edge to its default settings by going to Settings and selecting Reset Settings. This will clear any deep-seated configuration errors that the repair tool might have missed. Restart your computer after these steps, and your Edge should be running properly. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.